What is going on, Draw2 crew? Ramney here with a brand new tutorial video for you guys, and today, as I mentioned before, we are going to continue drawing Pokemon that we saw in the movie Detective Pikachu, and we're going to draw Psyduck today. Relatively easy. That's mainly because I'm also giving my wrist a chance to rest, as you guys may know. I have a wrist injury at the moment. So let's go ahead and get started with our Psyduck. If you guys want to use this Pokedex page, you can download it in my website if you guys want, and I use this one to make a whole bunch of like these different Pokemon cards, which are super cool, and this is all part of my Pokemon drawing project. And as you guys can see, I've got tons of these Pokemon and they all have their data right here. So if you guys want to grab that, that's down in the description. I did this yesterday. Now let's draw Psyduck, who appears prominently in the movie Detective Pikachu. Okay, but if you guys want to also draw it in regular paper, feel free to do that. Okay, so now I'm going to draw this circle, actually an oval, and I'm going to draw this right around here. I'm going to leave some space right here because he does have, Psyduck does have 3 strands of hair sticking out. So I'm kind of drawing this oval shape as best as I can, like this. And it might take you longer than me, and that is completely fine. And I'm having a hard time kind of bending my wrist here. There you go. So, you know, try to make it as best as you can. Oh, all right, that's fine. There you go. So there's our head right there. Kind of looks like an egg shape that's on its side. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to draw the body. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw this curve like this, and then I'm going to go on this side. And as you guys notice, it's not even, it's leaning. Okay, so it's not quite centered in the body. This is going to go like this, and then this right here is going to be like flat with a little bit of an upward turn right here. Think of it as like an upside down apple, if you guys can see what I mean. There we go. There's our Psyduck torso right there. Now we're going to kind of figure out where we are going to put the center of the face. So I'm going to draw a line right there going down the center so that we can see where we want things to be. Right here's where the nose, do you call that a nose? Like where the beak is, you got this little bump right here. It kind of acts like a nose. Okay, tiny little straight line here. But on this side, this extends a little bit further out like this. Okay, so it goes right there. Now, from here to here, what we are going to do is we're going to make things narrow. Okay, I'm going to round this off a little bit like that. So it starts off narrow and then starts to get wide. I'm going to bring this out this way, and this goes down like this. If I erase this, you guys can see what I mean. Okay, so it goes out this way, and then this goes narrow and then down. And then right around here is where we're going to turn, so it starts to look like this electric guitar shape. Like that. Okay, if I erase the inside, then you guys can see the bill, the beak, the bill, there it is. And then nostrils, is that what you call it on a duck? Like that. Okay, so now we're going to draw these circles, big wide eyes. Actually, I'm going to flatten it a little bit so it's not a complete circle. As you guys can notice, it's a little bit squished at the top and the bottom. Pupils directly in the center of that. Okay, and then I'm going to find, you see this right here, I kind of want it to be above, right around there. Draw a circle around. Not a circle, an oval, so it looks more like the shape of Psyduck's head. And then find the center. There you go. So Psyduck looks proper confused and dizzy. And there we go. Okay, let's draw the hand. Fairly easy, it just goes like this. From here it gets narrower, it goes closer to the head. And then right around here, just above the eye, one little curve for one finger and then another curve for another finger, like that. So he's clutching his temple, pretty much. Okay, and then right here, I'm going to draw the hand. I'm going to start it right there, right by the eye. I'm going to bring it down like this. Let me just fix that line up slightly. Okay, this is going to be a bit of a big elbow right there, so it makes this nice curve, and then it sort of makes this bowling pin shape right here, so it starts to look like that, and it starts to get narrow, and it goes out like this, so it sort of comes out like that. Okay, and then draw this little triangle for a finger right there first, and then just bring that out, bring this out, and there you go. If I erase this, then you should see Psyduck clutching his head like so. Okay, now this is easy right here. I'm going to draw one line going down the center first. Now it's narrow here and it gets wider slightly. Okay, and then like that. And I'm going to do the same right here. Narrow at the bottom, wider at the top. Okay, that makes a V. And then third one right here. Narrow at the bottom, wider at the top, and then you cut it off like that. So there's the hair for our Psyduck. Okay. I don't know why this expression makes me laugh. Okay, now let's draw the feet. The feet are fairly easy. It's a U shape like this. Again, that triangle in the center, and then just bring out one toe there. One toe? Toe? Is that the proper term? Not sure. There you go. There's one foot, and then the bottom foot. See where this bulb is right here. This goes wide. Okay, and then that V shape that we want right there, and then the corner toes like that. Okay, the last thing we're going to draw is the tail, and the tail straight out like that here at the top. At the bottom it's going to be curved like this. Okay, erase all those guidelines and you're good to go. There's I mean, this guy makes me laugh. There you go, you guys. That is our Psyduck drawing. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy tutorial. It wasn't too hard, but yeah, there you go. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next tutorial, which will come out tomorrow because these things are fairly easy to draw. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.
And that is all the time that we have for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in all the way to the very end. I hope you guys are very proud of your drawings. If you are, I would love to see them, so please head on over to the Google Plus community and to Instagram and post your artwork there and tag me so that I can see it as well. If you guys are ever curious about the equipment that I use to make my videos or to do my tutorials, I have a link to those in the description below, so be sure to check that out. If you feel like being extra generous, I have links in the description on different ways that you can help support this channel. Your contributions go a long way in ensuring that I can make content like this for free for you guys, so I appreciate your consideration. If you guys did enjoy this tutorial, it would help me a great deal if you, number one, liked this video, commented down below, and most especially if you shared this with your friends in your social media. And of course, speaking of social media, don't forget you guys can find me on Facebook, on Instagram, on Google+, and of course on my website, draw2.com, where you can download a free coloring page of the tutorial that's here on this video. Again, you guys, all of the links to all of those are in the description, so be sure to read it. Finally, thank you once again for watching. I will see you guys next time, and don't forget, stay tuned for more so you can learn to draw too. Take care.